This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, a selection of chilies for heat, and a blend of aromatic spices. Using fresh, high-quality components is crucial for developing a rich and authentic flavor. This foundation ensures your sauce will be truly delicious and elevate your burritos. Next, we'll prepare the base for our sauce. Roast your tomatoes and chilies on a baking sheet until they are tender and slightly charred, which deepens their flavor. After cooling, carefully remove the stems and most of the seeds from the chilies to control the heat. Then, combine these roasted vegetables with fresh garlic and onion in a blender, processing until you achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Now, let's bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a saucepan, heat a small amount of oil and sauté about 1 tablespoon of flour to create a light roux, which will thicken our sauce. Gradually pour in your blended vegetable mixture, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, letting all the spices and ingredients fully meld into a rich, cohesive flavor. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. If you prefer more heat, feel free to stir in a bit more chili powder. Once seasoned to perfection, your homemade burrito sauce is ready. Serve it warm over your delicious burritos for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.